Today I will make a product demonstration of the foot patch that I saw on TV. I have been interested in this for some time and was anxious to give it a try, so I thought this was the perfect opportunity. I purchased this off of Amazon.com, but I'm sure you can get it at Walmart or other places and other pharmacies. As you can see, it comes 10 in a patch for the feet, so let me show you how it works. This is the sticky part, and this is the little patch that actually is not sticky but goes on the bottom of the foot. You take the patch out like this out of the plastic bag, and you also take off the sticky part. I made it like this, and I was able to go ahead and put the patch on in the middle. This I will be placing on the bottom part of my foot, so it will actually go underneath my sole of my foot, and we'll see in the morning how it comes out. Good morning. We are back to the demonstration of this foot patch. What I'm going to show you right now is going to look rather disgusting, but you'll get the general gist of actually how it does happen, and sometimes what happens in an unusual circumstance, which I found out about. As you see on the right hand side, it is very dark and ugly and dirty, and it actually was very dark and ugly and dirty. This I actually did the night before last to see the first time I did it and see what happened. As you see on the left, it's not very dirty at all, and very rather not clean exactly, but still a little grungy here and there, but hardly no dirt. I was very curious about this and questioned it, and actually asked my nurse. You see I have an open wound on my left leg, and she said that it probably is because most of the toxins leaving my body is coming from that wound. Very interesting fact. I thought I would share that with you. Next, I'll show you what happened the second night I did it. This is the right and left, and as you can see, after the first night, the second night I did it, actually it came out pretty clean itself on both feet. There's still a little grungy here and there, but actually the pads came out pretty clean. One thing I forgot to mention on the first night, when it came out so horribly dark and everything by the next morning, is that I may have been imagining this, but I actually felt something drawing on my feet at night. It was very weird because it felt like something was drawing out of it. Perhaps I'm imagining it, perhaps it was exactly how it works. I'm not quite sure, but I thought it was very interesting, and I thought I'd share it with you. Another thing I wanted to mention is that I did buy this from Amazon.com. I bought 30 packets of it, and it cost a little bit over $16. So I thought I'd let you know about that. Once again, thank you very much for listening to my demonstration of this foot patch. I hope you will try it out yourself and let me know in the comments how you find it and how you think it works for you. Have a great day, and God bless you.